Hello, I am Elizabeth Ibrahim. I am here to explain my multimedia project, and it's all about a blood bank. So first of all, I'll show my web page. So in the first page, it's also known as, it's the login page, and it's for like the first page has two buttons, and one is for donor and other is for hospital. So going to the code, we can see that for the body, the whole I have given a background color, and the background color is like I am giving like leading gradient so that the shades will differ. Yeah, here it's red and here it goes to white, and then giving a styling for this. Like a simple stylings I have given like background color width, height, margin left, font family, and margin top. And this in first page it all consists about two buttons, and one is donor and other is hospital. So if I click donor button, then it has to go to index.php, which contains the registration for donor, and if I click hospital, then it has to go to next2.php, and it's all about the registration for the hospital. So let's click donor. So in donor itself, we can see that it is an autoplay with a video. The video goes here. So whenever I load this web page, the video comes in play, and here I can give my name. Age should be greater than 18. That means if I need to donate my blood, then it seems that my age should be greater than 18. So I can give it at 21. Be female. The blood group I can give it as a negative. Then ml I like to donate is 350, and I'm giving submit button, and it seems that you have successfully registered for donating 350 ml of A negative blood, and this is stored in the database. So this is first page, this is the login page, and this is index.php, which goes to hospital. Donor registration comes over here. Here I have given a simple styling with height, the font size, and the border. And after that I am getting the name, age, gender, the blood group, and ml of blood donated, as you have seen in the web page. And this is the video autoplay I have given. Here it seems like controls autoplay. That means whenever it's loading, the video will be played automatically. And next.php is the PHP part, the database part. So like when I go to exam, when I get the local host, donor details, the donor details will also be included over here. The details will be loaded over here. So this is the PHP part for that. Host name, username, and the password and the database name, the connectivity has to done, and the ml donated, which I am taken from the user, from which is being filled by this index page, will be loaded to the next.php, in which I will take the name, age, gender, blood group, and the ml donated, and successively it will be it will be added in the donor table. So the rest of the part will be explained by my friend.
Hello, this is Roshni Venugopal, and now I'll be explaining the second part of the program. So over here we have, as we saw, there are two parts in the program. So this is the hospital registration. So if a hospital wants to register in the blood bank for a certain amount of blood, he can go to this page and click over here. So when the button is clicked, it will direct to next2.php, as we see here. Now in the program, the next2.php will load. Over here we have a simple HTML page where I have the hospital name, city, blood group, and the ml required, and a submit button. Now once the details have been filled by the hospital user, when the person presses submit, it will be directed to next3.php. and over here a simple styling has been given for background image, and background size is given as cover. The width and the height is also adjusted. Now the next it will be directed to next3.php. So what the background the PHP part of this program is that first it is connected to the MySQLi, that is the database, using the connection object, and these are the 4 parameters: the host name, that is localhost, root, and password is given as blank, and DB name is donate blood. Now the details filled by the user, it is stored into a variable accordingly, and a session is started. So this is the session array where the variables will be assigned, and in the session array all these values will be recorded. Now over here, when a hospital registers for blood, for example, over here we can see in the blood bank, in the hospital details we have these many hospitals, and in the blood bank we have suppose A positive, so it has 9700 blood available. Suppose I am going to register a hospital name, suppose Sina, CBE, blood group I want is A positive, and I need 300 ml of blood. So over here it is 9700 in the beginning, and when I press submit, if it is the amount of blood is available in the blood bank, then it will show that it is available in the blood bank, and that much amount of blood will be deducted from the blood bank. So let us see. So over here we can see the blood bank, from the blood bank 300 ml of blood has been reduced from the A positive group, and also in the donor detail, in the hospital details, you will see that the hospital has been registered. So now suppose the person, now suppose the hospital requests blood. If the hospital requests blood, then how much is available? Suppose over here A positive, and in A positive we have 9400 amount of blood. So suppose the hospital is registering for 10,000, and when it will submit it, it will show that it is not that much amount of blood is not available in the blood bank. So let us see the PHP part for it. So here in the hospital details, the name, city, etc. are written over here in a MySQL query, and it is executed by this line. And then over here what we are doing is that MySQLi query connection object comma select ml available from. So we will select the amount of blood available in the blood bank and store it in and execute it, and the result will be stored over here. And then MySQLi fetch row. So if there are more than one rows available, it will be stored in this variable, and if r of 0 is greater than the amount of blood available, then it will show that it is available in the blood bank. These much amount of blood is available in the blood bank, and it will be, and simultaneously it will be updated in the blood bank that that much amount of blood should be deducted from the blood bank. Else it will show that this blood group and this much amount of blood is not available in the blood bank. This is all for our the multimedia project. Thank you.